You open this.
Daddy will open the check. How much? Check, Daddy.
This is your college fund. All the money is going in the electricity bill, baby.
Excuse me po.
Too much.
How much?
6.
To 2K add. When was the last time? 4,000, right? 4,500 something?
4.9.
4,900 last time?
Because this is summer, so obviously during summer it is they increase because of the bloody fuel and all that it goes into making electricity.
Yeah, but surprisingly, the water, it goes
Gone
down.
to 640.
Yeah, we paid
For a whole 1 year we were getting ripped off.
1,500 most of
Once
the
the maximum we paid was 16.
16. Then now it's only 640. Wow.
Yeah, because thanks to the robbers.
Yeah.
Tell them every year coming rob.
Yeah, it's good thing. Yung ano namin, yung metro ni nakaw, kaya napalitan ng bago, tapos bumaba yung bill namin.
If it is 6.8 now, next month will go up.
The water bill?
No.
What do you mean?
Electric.
The electric? Yeah, hopefully the water bill it will not change the price now, since we have a new meter, right?
Hopefully.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we're going out today. How long is the drive, babe?
Grab says 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Okay. 15 minutes lang pala eh.
I hope I have got the right address here.
Ay, nako. Check before we leave. We have that. We will not get lost. Yun yung importante na hindi tayo mamala sa ating pupuntahan. Where's baby Yana? Show them, Yana. Where's my baby Yana? Say good morning, Tata Shots. It's still early in the morning. No, it's already noon. Almost noon. Time check? What's the time check, babe? 10? 5?
10:45.
10:45.
Oh, baby.
And
Go.
pupunta kami doon sa
Oh, my baby.
friendship. Sa friendship.
Friendship?
Punta kami sa friendship. Malayo yun. Anyway, OOTD check. Charot. OOTD check. Nakikigaya lang. OOTD check. Saan ba ito galing? Hindi ko rin alam kung saan ito galing eh.
You have to brush.
Anong brand ba nito? Walang brand. No brand. Ano na naman? Ang gaganda ng bahay dito. Colorful, charot. Ano lang, maganda lang kulay. Parang lahat light. Where are we, Yana? Mamamasyal muna kami. Uy, malayo pa ba tayo? Uy, asan yung nagpayong sa amin? Hiningal ako. Uy, may tanglad, oh. Pwede ba manghiin tanglad?
We have our party there. Always full. Always full. I'm like, everybody makes this. They're going to be taken care of and what they can and cannot do. Oh, sorry.
Oh, not allowed.
Lay them down.
How are you? It's good.
It's good. It'll be that heat, but it's gonna be rainy season soon. So I don't know what to say when it's gonna start raining. So, but it'll be all muggy, right?
Here? I don't think so. It's really hot. It's burning my feet. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a nice view. Look at the view. Yung pool nila dito. Oh my goodness. It's hot. Ang init ng paa ko. Bigo, get the shoe, babe. Ang init. Nalapwa yung aking tiil, bastos. Pero ang ganda ng kanilang pool.